A salad with hair isn't the best combo ever. A light move of your head and your hairstyle is done. But not when you have long hair. Whoa, what a handsome guy! Ah! Did you get hurt? Oh, it's him! Oh, I'm in so much pain! I'll help you. You're gonna be okay. This is a great way to meet guys. More hair, more problems. Tea with hair isn't the best drink ever. You know, I'm waiting for a perfect man. Ahem. Here he is, my Mr. Right with long hair. Whoops! I think I'll keep looking. My hair got tangled around the drill. At least the picture is on the wall. Ow! It's getting cold. I need a jacket. But long hair is tricky sometimes. Wow, she has a real tail. Hey, what are you looking at? Her hair. Long hair is very handy in everyday life. What? Nothing. You are just seeing things. Holly, what's that? Why do you have this hair on you? It's obviously not yours. It's too short. Were you hugging someone? That guy over there? Huh? What were you talking about? Of course I wasn't. It belongs to my friend Penny. Here she is. Ouch! That hurts. See? Ah, now I get it. I'm so sorry for doubting you. Sometimes your friend with long hair is hard to handle. Let's stop. It's so beautiful here. Can you take a picture of me? Sure, I'm ready. Oh, I didn't know that hairy armpits are back in fashion. You obviously can't take pictures. This is just my hair from a bad angle. I need to dry my hair. Where's my hair dryer? Oh, wow! I'm a movie character. I'm driving a convertible. And now I'm shooting a music video. Oh, yeah! Yeah! What? Oh, no! I should have brushed it instead. Now I look like a mess. Do you need to change your appearance fast? Use your hair. Yeah, I completely agree with you. Hey, watch out! Sometimes a light wind is enough to ruin your hair once and forever. Hello, sweetheart. I'm on my way, but who's this guy flirting with my girlfriend? Hey, man! Oh, that was embarrassing. This is for you. Oh, what's happening? Where are my flowers? Honey, this rose is for you. And one for me. I'm so sick of this short haircut. I want long, thick hair. But how can I make this dream come true? I know! I have hair extensions. There we go! This is a great hairstyle! Baby, you're on fire! Hi, honey. What are you doing? Mom! Sweetheart, do you have a new hairstyle? It suits you. Now you look exactly like young me. Look, 2 peas in a pod. What? Do I actually look like that? No way! This hairstyle took half the day to finish. Cutie pie! I can't take this anymore! Even my mom had long hair. No, this is unbearable. I need to grow my hair out, right now! I'll sprinkle my head with pepper. I read it on the internet. Here goes nothing. I'll rub it in. Hair, grow! Is it long yet? No, nothing changed. I'll take drastic measures. Lucretia the psychic cures all ills with spells and potions. I have a problem. I'm from a long line of psychics. I can end your curse. I want long hair, not this short haircut. Can you help me? Of course I can. I'll work my magic and even your own mother won't be able to tell it's you. Hair, grow. Please, please, please. Phew, I got a little tired. Turns out it's not that easy, but everything worked. Wow, now that's long hair. What about me? Your hair will grow later. Huh? Pay up. Now you can go. Oh, hi, honey. Hi. I'm finally here. I just need a little trim. Just half an inch. Half an inch. Got it. I'll start right now. First, I'll trim the split ends like this. Or like this is even better. Ah! What have you done? My hair is twice as short. You're heartless. This day will be amazing. And of course, I need to play my music. Believe it! Foxy! Penny! It's you! Hang on, I'm gonna take my headphones off. You look stunning! But your hair! What? Your headphones messed it up. This always happens. I'm gonna go. Don't be upset. Wow! Holly, what's up? Foxy! Hi! I can't hear you. Hang on, I'm gonna take my headphones off. Oh, just a sec. Ouch! I'm in trouble! Wow, Holly! We have to take a selfie right now. The world needs to see this masterpiece. It was great to see you. Blow-drying long hair takes so long. Now I'll dry the back. Honey, are you here? Ah! Not everyone is ready to see a scene from a horror movie in their own bathroom. Hey, what's wrong with you? Are you okay? Penny, he expects too much from me. Can you believe it? I totally feel where you're coming from. Oh, my honey texted me. He's so cute. Yeah, Holly. What should I text back? So I told him this. Penny, are you listening to me? Aha! So you're texting. Give me my phone. What about our friendship? Oh, I know. Try texting now. It's great when you have a thoughtful friend. Hi! Hi! I decided to change my style completely. I'm getting rid of my long hair. Okay, let's begin. Remove some here and here. Just a bit more. And voila! No more long hair. Ready! What do you think? Whoa! Awesome! New hair, new you! Thanks! Thank you so much! I love it! See you! I'll go dancing! I can't stay at home with my new haircut! Hi, beautiful! What's up? Oh, I don't even know what to say! I forgot! I don't have long hair anymore! I'm fine! Hi, Penny! Hi! Take a seat! What do you want? I want a haircut! A creative one. Got it. We'll turn you into a new feisty Penny. 1 hour goes by. Another hour. I'm done. It's ready. What do you think? It's just the way I wanted. Perfect. Thanks. Hi. Here I am. Take a seat. Let's start coloring your hair. I am so happy you have enough time. We'll turn you into a real beauty. Let's get to it. I'll apply some dye. And some more. My ex texted me. Oh, I remember him. I think I need to redo my nails. What's taking so long? Done! I finished dyeing your hair. Hey, thanks! Oh, I didn't expect it was going to take this long. Grow your hair out or cut it. What do you want to do more? Comment below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.